Hi! You can now grow your own mushroom garden. This kit is from the Haights farm, Atok, Benguet. So this kit is designed to let you grow mushroom inside your home. Just follow these growing instructions. It is simple and easy to follow. Just using this mushroom in a box, you can now grow your own pink oyster mushroom. Inside this box, it contains pink oyster fruiting bag. With a 100 ml spray bottle, you will just fill in with water and use to spray or mist your mushroom bag. When mushrooms are matured and stop growing, they are now ready to be harvested. So just pick them all at the same time. Wash them properly and ready for cooking. To grow again your mushroom, spray the surface twice a day, and you will store the mushroom kit in a dark or dim area. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.